So here's our water catcher set up. Someone stole my battery and solar panel, so I'm kind of running it off the car battery. It just runs this little pump, and this little pump has a hose that goes down into our water catcher. And every once in a while this thing will float up to the surface, so I kind of got to put it down in there. But it works pretty good. We're able to water, we get 2 waters of all the plants with one of those. And rain isn't showing up on the radar for a few days, so we're getting a good water in now, and then we'll have another one in a couple of days. And then we'll be kind of out of water really for the most part. We're working out a deal with the neighbor to get a hose extended over to his property because he's got an outside water spigot. We just don't have an outside one here. And then we'll just pay him some for the water bill. I think that's going to be a big heirloom slicer tomato right there. But everything's doing good. We picked a couple of peppers. We're going to have them here in a day or two. They were like this one. Something that came in a package of pepper seeds. We just decided to try them and see what happened. We're doing pretty good. These tomatoes here are doing great too. Everything's looking pretty good. Here's some onions. Won't be long.